Hi guys, I think this is the time to complete my solar fighter collection. So today I would like to introduce you guys how to make the Venus fighter. This paper airplane fly pretty well, and this is very simple to create. Why not start now? To make the Venus fighter, you need a printing paper. You can either use letter size on A4 paper. On first step, I'll fold the paper in half. Okay, unfold the paper. And then I start from the top edge here forward to the center crease. I repeat the same step for the other side. Okay. And the following step, I start from this edge, fold it to the center crease. And now I repeat the same step for the other side. Okay. When you fold paper like this, make sure that this edge and this edge are equal, so you have a symmetrical paper airplanes. Otherwise, the plane will not fly well at all. And next, I start from the top here, forward to the bottom edge down here. When I fold, I just cut it slowly because the paper is quite heavy. Okay. And now I can fold the triangle shape up for slowly, and as you have done the classic fighter, you know, I would match the edge here to the intersection of this edge and this edge. Okay, and now I fold the paper in half. I'll fix it, hold it up, fix the wings. Now we are going to make the wings by folding this edge to this edge. And I repeat the same step for the other side. Okay, we'll hold it up, make the wings easier. Okay, and next step, you can see the edge here. I will use this as my reference to fold this part of the wings to create a strong wings. Okay, our goal is to create a strong wing, and we will fold straight down to the intersection of this edge and this edge. Okay, same thing for the other side. For this paper airplanes, we don't need the elevators, because the elevators will make the planes fly straight up and then it just crash. So make sure that the wings are flat instead of curve up or down. Okay, so then you can pull this one up a bit like this, and here you go. This is the Venus fighter, and I will show you guys where you can hold it and draw the plane. You can hold the plane right here where you can feel the hard part of the plane. Hold right there and thread up at 30 to 45 degrees, and make sure that the wings are flat. This stabilizer can be straight up a bit like this or down. Okay, it should make a 45 degrees angle. It's a fun stabilizer, and the wings should be flat. And you like the plane, like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet. And I hope that you guys will like the paper. And finally, thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.